Hi everyone, welcome to No Code Learner. Today I'm going to show you how you can set up Google Tag Manager and Google Analytics with Godaddy landing page. I know you are people who are trying to set up Google Tag Manager with Godaddy and you are face many issue. Most of the cases people wants to try Google Ads conversion tracking with Godaddy landing page and they are facing a lot of issue because Godaddy hasn't any option to set up Google Tag Manager as well as Google ad conversion tracking. Okay, let's say we are going if we are go to settings, there is some option to set up tracking related options like analytics, meta visual. Let's suppose if we are going to Google Analytics here, it's just give you a option to set up measurement ID. If you put the measurement ID here, it will only send you the page view event. Okay, but if your website has some conversion event like button click, then form submission, then you can't track those events using this only put measurement ID here. Okay, so it's important to set up first Google Tag Manager, then you have to configure conversion using Google Tag Manager. Okay, so this video we are going to show you how you can set up Google Tag Manager, and using Google Tag Manager I show you how you set up Google Analytics. Okay, so first of all you have to create Google Tag Manager as well as Google Analytics account. Okay, because I'm not this video I'm not going to show you how you can create Analytics and Tag Manager account. Okay, let's start. So first of all, you have to go to your landing page settings. If you go to settings, you will not find any options of Tag Manager. So uh, you have to scroll down, and just before the footer, you have to hover any section, or you have to hover the plus icon. See that now it looks like this. If you hover the plus icon, it show you that add a section. Just click on it and search HTML and click on it. After click on it, it will appear in your landing page. See that now it's appear, and you have to put your Google Tag Manager code here. If you set up Google Tag Manager with any other different platform like WordPress, then just copy this after copy this one, and just you need to put this code in header section. But for Godaddy, you have to doing this in a different way. If you copy this one and just put it here, then it will be not working. Okay, that's why I will show you how it will be works now. Okay, if I put it here and done and publish it, actually Godaddy works in a different ways this case. Okay, I show you the problem, then I give you the solution. No worries. Okay, after publish it, just visit the site from here. And if you open Google Tag Assistant, then you will not find any Tag Manager code here, just because for some security purpose, I guess they are not allowed these ways. No tag found. Okay, so we have to doing in a different ways. So there is an additional script here. This is the script. I will share the script in the description. So here you have to change the analytics code. Sorry, not analytics code, Tag Manager code. You have to go to Tag Manager, click on it, and here is the Tag Manager code. You have to copy this code from here and copy the code from here and just change it. Okay, now it looks like this. Now copy the whole script and you have to put it in the HTML option. Just remove this one and put this additional code where this one. Then you have to put it here. Okay, now done this and publish it. Okay, now you have to visit the landing page again. And if we click the Tag Assistant, see that now Google Tag Manager is successfully connected to our website. Okay, that's great. And now we are going to set up Google Analytics using Google Tag Manager. So for set up Google Analytics, we have to go to the admin settings and we have to click the data stream. Click on it and just copy the measurement ID from here and go to Google Tag Manager, close it, click it here, click the tags and click the new button, tag configuration, and here is the analytics option. Click on it and you have to choose the Google tag option and put the Google, and you have to put the analytics ID here, but we want to reuse the code multiple times. That's why we need to store in a constant variable so that we can multiple time use it. Just click it here and here is the constant variable option. Put your ID here and give it a name, GF4 measurement ID. Okay, now save it. Okay, and you have to change the trigger, just all please, and give it a name, that GF4 configuration tag. Okay, just save it and submit it, publish it. Okay, and go to analytics, just close it and go to real-time report. From here you can see the report. Click it here and here is the real-time report. And if we go to the real-time report, and it will showing that one user around 12 minutes ago, actually I'm set up it before and that's why I'm visit the landing page before. That's why around 12 minutes ago actually I'm visiting this page, but right now I also in this page, but it's not showing anything analytics. So just now we are set up all these things and publish it. If we reload this page, then it will showing us that another visitor is coming here. Okay, see that Google Analytics code is not showing here, so we have to hard reload it so that the it will apply the page. Hard reload, and now see that the analytics code is appeared here. And if we go to the real-time overview, then you will find that, okay, just after visited, just scroll down. Okay, I think now it will showing. Sometimes it takes few seconds. Okay, let's reload this one. Okay, see that this is 2 minutes ago it's showing. Okay, now because now we are in here and it's showing us. Okay, so it start working and we successfully set up this. See that this one is ours. Okay, we successfully set up Google Analytics with the Godaddy landing page. I hope you understand, and if you need any help, you can connect me through Google, Facebook or WhatsApp, whatever you want. And if you're interested to join us, our community Facebook group, then you can find all the link in the description. And the script I'm showing here, this script is important for you. I shared this script as well in our Facebook group, as well as I create a docs and I shared the links in the description. Okay, from the description you can download this thing and you can use it easily. Okay, thank you so much.